Hello everybody, now we are going to solve a problem from Fundamentals of Electric Circuits by Alexander and Sadiku's 5th edition. This is question number 6.18 and the question is to find the C equivalent in the circuit if all the capacitors of 4 microfarad. So the circuit is given here and we have to mention this capacitor values as 4 microfarad everywhere. Okay, these are all 4 microfarads. So now when you look at these two capacitors, similarly here these two, they are connected in series, right? So for that series combination of equal value, right, 4 microfarad and 4 microfarad, so the equivalent value will be 2 microfarad. If you want to go for the calculation, it is nothing but 4 into 4 divided by 4 plus 4, right? So it will give you 16 by 8, that is equal to 2 microfarad. That's what I have given here. Okay, so we can redraw this circuit as, so here 4 microfarad is there in parallel with another 4 microfarad. Then we have calculated the series combination that is equal to 2 microfarad, and here comes another capacitor that is of 4 microfarad, right? And here you have the opening, and similarly here on this side also we have calculated this series combination that is 2 microfarad, and then it is in parallel with the 4 microfarad. So here we have to find out C equal. This is 4 microfarad, right? So again, if you consider this 2 and 4, these are in parallel, right? So we can calculate this parallel combination. How to calculate the parallel combination? It is nothing but 2 plus 4, right? So 6 microfarad. So now again we can redraw the circuit with that 6 microfarad as, this is 4 microfarad, again another 4 microfarad is there, and on this side you have this capacitance of 6 microfarad. Here also you have the 6 microfarad. Then here you have this opening, right, where you have to find out this C equivalent. So now you consider this case here, these two are now parallel combination, right? So parallel combination of 4 and 4 means it is 4 plus 4, that is equal to 8 microfarad. So on that case you can redraw this circuit again. So here it is 8 microfarad, here it is 6 microfarad, here also it is 6 microfarad. Here you need to find out the C equivalent, right? So these three capacitors are connected in series. So for this series combination, we can find the equivalent as C equivalent as 1 by 6 microfarad plus 1 by 8 microfarad plus 1 by 6 microfarad, the inverse. So that is equal to, taking 24 as common, 4 plus 3 plus is 4, the inverse. So that is equal to 24 by 11, right? So C equivalent is equal to 2.181 microfarad. So this is your answer. The answer is, the C equivalent is equal to 2.181 microfarad. This is the answer. Okay, thank you. Hope you have understood.